So I chanced on this Angry Bird. They say it's called Angry Bird. Do you know of it? Children, I think they said love it these days. I've not seen some before, so I took a look. That's the back. That's the front. So let's see what's inside. Oh. That's how they look. Can you imagine? It looks like straws. Wow. Have you seen them before? That was my first time though. Comment and let's know. Any memories of this? Do you have it in your time? Comment and let's know. What do you think of it? 7 straws inside. Angry Birds. Wow. How do you know of it? Do comment below. What do you think of it? Well, I had a taste and I don't think it's something I will love. Since one man's meat is another man's poison, I leave you to your choice. Thanks for watching. Well, I spotted this paper inside. It's like it's a sticker. So I tried to see what's beneath or what's inside the drawing because it was really appearing on the other side. I don't know when it's a tattoo. So what I think they do is to emboss it on their skin. You know, children are adventurous. What do you do when you see this? Children or anybody who is acquainted with has an experience using or seeing children using Angry Birds. What do they do to it? Is it fun? Well, will you give it to your children? Any advantages, disadvantages of using this Angry Bird toffee? Do I call it toffee? Candy? I don't know. Your guess is as good as mine. Keep subscribing, watching my page, and we will keep you bringing you interesting adventures. Cheers, stay good, stay happy, stay blessed. Bye.